Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2020 Kubota R530 articulated wheel loader. So this is out of our own personal stuff. I bought this brand new in January of 20. The unit has 419 hours. I have two of these loaders. We run two here at all times. I just purchased two brand new 540s, rotating these out. End of the year, section 179, that's why I'm doing it. Very good loader, 100% ready to go to work. There is no issues. We've just done a full service on it. That is a brand new OEM Kubota bucket that come with this loader. When I purchased it, it has never been used. Matter of fact, majority of you people that watch our videos will see there's a brand new one setting up on that pallet on that skid on top of that sea container. That was the bucket that was up there. So that's kind of the story. I order these in, cab heat air, rear view mirror kits, top work lights on the cab, front and back. I get power quick attach on them. These loaders are an amazing little machine. We absolutely love them. They don't tear anything up. The two loaders that I just got now is loader number 6 and 7. So I've owned a bunch of these loaders, and we generally rotate them out every 2 to 3 years. This unit here, we kept a little longer. And this unit has been kept inside a building since day one. It is waxed. It is our own personal stuff. So it's not like it's something we bought to sell. So we're going to start here underneath the engine compartment. We're going to show you completely around this machine. I also have a 2022 540 for sale. That was the first 540 I bought. Under the engine compartment, my hood, you can see, is not smashed or busted. You'll see a bunch of these on the internet. The hoods are all beat up, smashed up. Powered by the Kubota. These are a V2607 4-cylinder engine. We just did a full service. All the filters are marked. 419 hours. MSC stands for Mark Supply Company. So we done air, engine oil, fuel, pilot filter, hydraulic filter has all been done. Very clean, obviously. 400-hour machine. Put our safety latch in. Counterweight's not all scuffed up. There might be one little scratch on it here or there. It's going to have the 365/70R 18 radial tires on it. They're about 90%, all four matched, obviously. Level gauges on the boom. Again, factory 1 yard, 74-inch Kubota bucket. Brand new. It has not been used. Power quick attach. Fender kit. I did remove the toolbox, which I put right in the ad. In the pictures, it's on there. We just took the toolbox off this morning because we just took the machine out of service today and put the new one in service here. I'll show you in this compartment here. Obviously, here's the fuel tank. Fuse panels in here. We'll walk you to the other side again. All the glasses in the cab, rear windshield wiper, front wiper, obviously. Battery compartment. We're going to take you inside the cab here. Hydraulic tank and step. Heading inside, plastic is still on my seat. We'll show you here. 419 hours. I have the radio off because I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. Dome light, cab heat, air, all works, roof lights, wipers. You're going to have your high and low range. You're going to have neutral here. And you're going to have a diff lock in the back. You still got your hand throttle, auxiliary hydraulics. Your boom lockouts are down here. Windshield wiper, horn, everything like that. Guys, I'm going to turn this back over to Ben. I'm going to fire machine up. I'm going to run around, she does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So, guys, again, I have owned a bunch of these loaders. We love them. I started out with Gale articulated wheel loaders, and boy, was that ever a mistake. Originally bought AL 540s, and man, what a mess. We went to the Kubotas, my very first Kubota we ever had. I run to 27 or 2,800 hours. We never did a thing to it other than service. They are just an absolutely amazing little loader, and we were sold ever since. So our primary business is what we do. There was high range, we're going into low. We're an equipment dealer. I specialize in skid loaders, skid loader attachments, mini excavators, compact tractors, and landscape equipment. We do some boom lifts, scissors lifts, and telehandlers. We farm a little bit. So why I use these loaders is we are a dealer and distributor for approximately 8 new products. So we handle and sell anything skid steer attachment out there. We're a distributor for CID Extreme Attachments, Erskine, Vernig, Bradco, FFC, McMillan, Paladin. We sell Grouser and Logering products. So what these loaders are used for is our daily operation here of unloading and loading of freight trucks. So we have 6-foot pallet forks that we run on these loaders, and our heaviest thing that we pick is probably 4,000 to 3,800 pounds at a time. So our loaders are not overworked, they're not in the salt, they're not out in the snow like a lot of guys are going to do with these loaders. We do push the snow off here on our gravel parking lot, but we do not applicate any type of salt or anti-skid here at our property because we're on the stone. Again, these loaders are a very unique tool. They are not for everybody, but if you're a landscape supply yard, if you are a landscaper yourself and you need a machine for on a lot, these are an amazing little machine for that. What I do like on the 30 series, you see how I can prop this window open for fresh air, or I can take this window and swing it clear back. I like that on the 30 versus the 40 series. The 40 series has a whole door that opens up. I even put new cabin filters in this machine, so it is serviced, ready to go. The hydros in these machines are amazing. Like right there, you can change gears as fast as you want to. And ears may not even tell you can do that. Now I can take here, I'm tramping down my inching pedal, I've come to a stop. I'm holding my throttle wide open and I'm pushing my inching pedal. Now I can let up on my inching pedal and take right off. Kubota has, truthfully, a superior setup when it comes to these little loaders. Which, hey, they're what was that, a 420 and then a 520 they made was a stellar little machine and everybody loved them. We absolutely just love these little loaders. And for what we do, what's nice about the 530 and 540 series is you could put this machine in a box trailer, okay, and it absolutely not hit the ceiling, where a 630 is too big to go in. So today is like it's Friday, November the 22nd. First day we're getting some snow here in Pennsylvania. You know, heck, yesterday it was 60 freaking degrees. Now today it's this crap. So, but snowplow season will be amongst us for people. There'll be people looking for these little machines for that reason and that application. So if you're looking for something, I hate to see it go into that application because it is a like new loader, okay? We have 4-ways, turn signals. Guys, again, very well equipped loader, armrest package on the seat. If you truthfully are looking for a nice machine, you want something to go to work, here's a machine that will go to work today. Not like some of the stuff you're seeing out there, it's 3,000 and 4,000 hours. So, guys, any questions, 814-658-3066. Understand this is our own machine. We know the machine. Again, I have 2 of these for sale. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. I am Nick Miller. I am the owner of that. I do have all the books and manuals. I have the original toolkit that comes with it from Kubota. So it's all there. It's what it is. If you guys have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.